We love Cinco de Mayo because it's a great time to eat delicious food. So tonight we're doing steak fajitas on the Blackstone. Let's get it. I've already cut up 3 bell peppers, 1 orange, 1 red, and 1 yellow, and then 1 whole yellow onion cut tip to tip, not across the grain. And then I have about 2 pounds of an inside skirt steak already in these bags so that I can pour the marinade straight in. So let's go ahead and make the marinade today. Add the ingredients listed on the screen to a mixing bowl. Now we're just going to mix this together until it's all well combined. I'm gonna take half a cup of this and put it in our vegetables, and the rest of it is gonna go into our steak. We're gonna get it mixed all around on that steak, seal it all the way, getting as much air out as possible. Leave this in your refrigerator for 3 to 24 hours. Now it's time to start cooking. First, I'm gonna start with the vegetables. I'm gonna throw down some bacon up. Bacon up is real bacon fat sold in tubs. You can find a link to it in my Amazon storefront. Get the bacon up smeared around, and we have our vegetables in our Ziploc bag still, so I'm just gonna dump them right on. These vegetables are gonna cook for just a few minutes before I put the steak on the other side. I took the inside skirt steak out of the marinade about 30 minutes ago, and I'm gonna lay it down right down the middle of the Blackstone. We know the hottest part is right in the center. We're about at 450 degrees here. We want a nice char on the outside, and we wanna leave it medium rare on the inside. So I'm gonna cook it for 3 or 4 minutes on this side, flip it to the other side, and then I'm gonna check the internal temp to see if it's ready to pull off. I'm gonna give this steak a flip. You can see nice color on that back side. One thing I wanna show you that's a great tip for the Blackstone. The edges and the corners are a lot cooler than the center. So I took this thinner end of this skirt steak and I pushed it into the corner, so the thicker meat will cook more, the thinner meat will cook less. I have my temperature turned all the way down to low now on this side. You can even turn a burner off if it's not cooling down fast enough. But now that we have the sear on the outside, we just want that internal temperature to come up to about 130 degrees. All right, everything is ready. It's time to get it off. I'm gonna use my food shovel, AKA the Cuisinart food mover, to get this all off. When slicing a tougher meat like a skirt steak, you can see that the grain runs this direction. So it's running across the meat here. You can cut it into smaller sections like this and then just cut straight across the grain if you want to. Or you can take your piece of meat and you can just cut it at an angle. See how beautiful and tender this is? I'm gonna take this end piece just to test the marinade. That's incredible. You can taste the garlic and the citrusy flavors in there. I can't wait to get this sliced. Let's eat, y'all.